Explain to the people what you're gonna do.
Okay, so I've been checking this for a while.
What is it?
About 5 minutes.
Dr. Pepper.
Very beerish looking Dr. Pepper.
Yeah. We're gonna put it on this.
I like beer.
Bowl.
And
Why is there a pole in my yard?
I don't know.
we're going to open it.
Okay, Caitlyn.
Someone nervous. Aw.
That was lame.
It didn't explode. Fail. It exploded now.
It's peeing on the rock.
As
we-
a guy then?
We need something else.
Yes, we do. Let's go find something.
Okay.
We're running inside. I really gotta pee. Okay, I'll take the camera.
Okay.
Courtney's going to pee.
Okay.
Upstairs.
Okay. Now go upstairs. We're going upstairs. As I fall.
Oh my god. Guys, we have to clean this room. She said that we're talking about. She said when she gets home, we're going to talk about the $20 and she'll see how clean the house is. But this room isn't clean.
Okay, I hope you know the camera cannot see anything. It's dark. There you go.
Oh yeah, I forgot to turn yourself on.
Yeah.
Let's see, what can we do?
The ultimate courage.
Let's do Crush.
Oh, I love Crush. It's cold.
We are going to hold our breath because it sticks in here. Let's go!
Ow! I fell over that thing. My leg hurts.
My hands are cold.
I think you should go get Courtney and put her right there, and then I should spill it on her. That would be funny. So,
I wonder if it does it better when it's like just came out of the refrigerator.
I don't know.
Hey, it's wow, this is really cold.
Wow, this is really cold.
Okay, let's go outside.
Yeah.
We're doing a Crush.
We're doing Crush now.
Sure, this is good.
Sure, this is good.
It's dark.
It's cold. Just so you know, it's freezing out here.
Yes, it's like 30 degrees. She has a short sleeves. She has a short sleeves. I'm in a very light jacket that smells very nice.
Okay.
See it? This is lame. This is lame.
My turn. Someone else take the camera.
Fail.
Okay. I get to try now.
Yeah. What are you getting now?
These are dumb sodas. Come with me. Is that your mom? Yeah. I did that.
It smells in here.
I know.
Okay. Hey.
Alright.
Where are you going?
Out here.
Okay.
So, I'm going to try Pepsi now.
I like the Pepsi.
Trying a different technique than Caitlyn is. I'm going to wait till my lady passes and I'm going to roll it down the driveway. People just film the lady.
Yes.
I'm having fun.
It looks very fun. Fail.
What are you doing?
Making all bubbly.
I want to do something.
Where are you going?
Open it up. That really dented up the can.
The poor can. It exploded!
Ha! I got fizz!
I'm gonna do something. Move.
Okay.
Fail!
Fail.
How's that a fail? That's good.
Exploded. Yeah,
That's
exactly.
exactly what it was supposed to do.
Look at that can.
Win!
Fail.
Look at the can.
Oh my god. Not fail.
It was not a fail.
That was not a fail.
Look at that.
Look, it exploded out of the top. It didn't even open.
Thank you for watching us explode pop cans. Now look at our fail. Well, our win, but
The only win.
so look at that. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Fail.
The poor pop cans.
Goodbye.
That was fun. Look at the drawing.
Oh my god.
That was from Pop. It's amazing.
You're still.